Okay, welcome to Baby Bank Business channel. Please, we want to discuss how to make money online in Nigeria as a student. And we have here in this blog post, we have top 77 business ideas for students to check out. But for here now, we'll just talk about the six idea. Then I will advise you to go to the description. You'll see a link that will take you to this post so that you read everything. Calm down and read about it because this post is very large. So, and you need to calm down and read these things so that you get idea and start making money for yourself while you are in school. So, then the number one is freelancing. Okay, number one is freelancing. Freelancing is a very good way to make money online as a student. Freelancing is a popular way to make money online, allowing individuals to offer their skills and services to clients worldwide. Many platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect freelancers with potential clients. Whether you are a graphic designer, writer, programmer, marketer, freelancing offers a flexible and creative way to earn money online. So I have listed how to make money online in Nigeria as a student through freelancing. So see it here, step guide. So just click on that link so that you can come here and read up these things. Online tutoring. Okay, online tutoring is another lucrative way to make money online as a student in Nigeria. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can become an online tutor. Platform like Tutoring and prep class which connects students with tutors, enabling you to teach subjects like math, science, language, or even music. Online tutoring not only allows you to share your knowledge and passion, but also provide a steady income stream. Okay, I also give guide on how to start these things. So just come, go there, go to the description, click on that link, then it will take you to this post. And you read everything. Then the third one is e-commerce and drop shipping. Importing goods from China is I'm I'm right doing it right now. I'm doing it. I'm importing goods from China, goods from 1,000 something. There's some watch I will bought from China, 1,000 something. I will say 10,000 here in Nigeria. So, but here I just talked about how to import it, doing it from Jumia and Konga. So, if you really want to see how I'm doing the one that I'm importing from China, then go when you go to that link I'm telling you in the description, click on contact us. You will see my number there. Chat me on WhatsApp and tell me that you want to learn how to import goods from China at cheaper rates without shipping fee. So I will just teach you. Then here now for this one, with the rise of e-commerce platforms like Jumia and Konga, setting up an online store has become more accessible. You can create your online store and sell products ranging from fashion, electronics to handmade crafts and artwork. Additionally, dropshipping allows you to sell products without the need for inventory by partnering with suppliers. You can fulfill orders and earn a commission. Then I've see how to do it, how to do the drop shipping. I provided that use. So just go to that link, you read everything. Content creation and blogging. If you have a talent for writing, creating engaging content, or sharing your experience, blogging can be a rewarding venture. Starting a blog like bbbankbusiness.com requires a domain name, hosting, and regular content updates. Once your blog gains attraction, you can monetize it with through advertisement, sponsor content, or affiliate marketing. Consistency and quality are key to building a successful blog. Making money online in Nigeria as a student through content creation and blogging is an exciting way to share your ideas while earning. Start by selecting a topic you are passionate about or knowledgeable in, like fashion, travel, tech, health. etc. Create a blog using platforms like WordPress or Blogger. Regularly Regularly write engaging and helpful articles related to your choosing topic. Share your post on social media to attract readers. So I've provided all these things. Then the fifth one is online surveys and micro tags. Several websites and apps offer paid surveys and micro tags that can be completed in your spare time. Although the earnings may not be substantial, but they can add up over time. Websites like Swapbox, Inbox Dollars, and Amazon Mechanical Top provide opportunities to earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, and performing small online tasks. So you can see how to do it. Then six is social media management, influencer marketing. With the increasing influence of social media, businesses are willing to pay individuals who can manage their social media presence. If you have a good understanding of platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, you can offer social media management services to clients. Additionally, if you can grow a substantial following a platform like Instagram, YouTube, you can collaborate with brands as an influencer and earn money through sponsor post pro- or product endorsement. Another one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way to make money, you know, without doing anything from just the comfort of your house. So just go to that link and come so that you can read other things. There are many. There are many. 70, yeah, 70. There are many. Just go there and please don't forget to subscribe. If this is the first time of coming to our YouTube channel, please click on subscribe. Then after that, you click on notification button so that once we update our post and post anything, you get notified. Please don't forget to like and share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.